power of choice. The BMW Group offers its customers exactly the product they are looking for. In all segments, electric mobility included. At the same time, we remain true to our principles, ensuring that all our electric cars come with the full set of BMW genes. The BMW Group's status as one of the leading manufacturers in the field of electric mobility reflects its extensive experience in body construction, powertrain componentry, and control units, the fundamental elements in producing electric vehicles. We already have a very good idea of the demands that will be placed on the batteries of the future electric vehicles. The BMW Group's commitment to the vehicle as a whole, its scrutiny of all technical components, and focus on their harmonious integration into the overall system have prompted it to take the development lead for the battery's inner structure. The success of electric mobility will be driven largely by the battery technology involved. The battery's inner structure has a fundamental impact on the vehicle's characteristics, the customer experience, and the vehicle's cost efficiency. That's why the BMW Group is focusing on the battery's core, the battery cell. The real challenge in the development of this revolutionary technology lies in the underlying cell chemistry. This is determined by materials used for the four key elements of a lithium-ion battery cell: anode, the cathode, separator, and electrolyte. We begin with small amounts of material in small cells so we can gain as much knowledge as possible on a laboratory scale. Our findings are gradually transferred to larger cells and optimized for this new scenario until we reach the battery cell format to be used in vehicles. This approach allows us to identify innovative materials and use them to devise different formulas for the cell chemistry, which we test rigorously. This means we will be able to equip all vehicles with the best battery cells in the future, while also working on the further development of this all-important component. Every cell concept undergoes an in-depth testing process. We also evaluate its ability to meet the critical demands on future electric vehicles. If a cell concept is found that shows promise, it is put forward to the next development step and checked for its potential to withstand the specific loads exerted in automotive applications. Here again, it is evaluated against our target criteria. However, electric mobility comes as a pair with sustainability. Environmental compatibility and social sustainability at all stages, from the mining of the raw materials used, through their processing, and finally recycling, are key elements. Together with various economic criteria, these considerations are incorporated into every battery cell development process to ensure that the BMW Group's batteries can be manufactured sustainably. In the Battery Cell Competence Center, prototypes of battery cells are created that optimally meet the requirements of our future vehicles. The specifications of these prototypes with regard to cell chemistry, cell design, and production processes form the basis for the mass production of BMW Group battery cells by our partners. And finally, are incorporated into the model at hand, having been matched precisely to its specific drive concept. After all, at the Battery Cell Competence Center, the BMW Group is developing tomorrow's technology today. This means we are always able to offer the most advanced battery cell and the best one for our customers, tailored to the situation at hand, and so deliver the driving pleasure of tomorrow.